Hello, today we will guide you through how to day trade on Trading 212. To begin, open the Trading 212 web app in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard so you can access the tools we'll use. Day trading moves quickly, so having a stable internet connection and a clear plan before you place any orders will help you stay focused. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the platform. This is where you'll find the instrument you want to trade. Click into the search field and type the ticker or name of the asset you're interested in. As you type, you'll see matching results appear. Pick the one that fits your plan for the day. If you're unsure, glance at the spread, recent price movement, and volume. These details can help you gauge how active and liquid the instrument is, which matters for quick entries and exits. After you select the instrument, its details page opens. Here you can choose whether you want to buy or sell based on your strategy. Buy if you expect the price to rise, or choose the sell side if your plan anticipates a move lower. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct side before proceeding. Now toggle on the option to set limit and stop parameters. Turning this on reveals fields that let you control how your order behaves and how you manage risk. A limit order lets you define the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying, or the minimum you're willing to accept when selling. You'll also see stop and take profit options, which can help you predefine your exit if the market moves against you or in your favor. Enter your chosen price levels in the appropriate fields. For a buy, set your limit near the price where you want to enter and consider a stop below a logical support area. For a sell, set the limit where you plan to enter and place a stop above a resistance zone. Keep your numbers realistic for current market conditions and double check that commas and decimals are in the right place. Follow the on-screen prompts to review all order details. Confirm the instrument, order type, quantity or amount, estimated cost, and any risk controls you've added. If anything doesn't look right, adjust it now. When everything is set, click Place Buy, order to send your trade. You should see a confirmation once it's submitted. From there, monitor the position and let your predefined levels do the work. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready for a disciplined day trade on Trading 212.